A very good morning to you all, dear students. So today we will start with a new topic under block 21, that is the inner planet. So the topic of our discussion for today is the inner planets under block 21. All right. Resources required for our class is your S2 worksheet 2, exit content book, and your notebook. Keywords for today is atmosphere. And so the aim of our class for today is students will be able to explain the main features of the inner planets. So let's get started. Alright, so what is actually the meaning of atmosphere? So this in simple meaning of the term, atmosphere means the gases surrounding the earth or any astronomical body, that is the air in a particular place. They are known as atmosphere. Right? Okay, so question for you is, who are all the members of your family? Who are all the members of your family? Like, do you have any brothers, sisters, or cousins? And where do they live? Alright, I hope you are getting the question. So see, you might have different answer to that. Okay, so see, just like many of us, we have our brothers, we have our sisters, and we have cousins who are living in our family, right? Similarly, even our planet, that is the Earth, too has brother, sister, and cousin planets. All right, just like we have different family members living among us, similarly, even our planet Earth has brother, sister, and cousin planets. All right, just like our brothers and sister live in the same house as us, and our cousins live in house far away. That is, in the same way, the Earth has brother and sister planet that live close by. All right, and also the cousin planet that live far away. All right, so today we will learn about the Earth's brother and sister planets. All right, called the inner planet. All right, it is called the inner planets. Okay, so I want all of you to read this particular section. Okay, from your textbook. All right, the inner planet. All right, I want all of you to read the section, the inner planet, from your exit content book. Okay, so you'll find in page number 3, the inner planet. The 8 planets are classified into 2 groups, right, based on their distance from the sun. That is the inner planet and the outer planets. Read on to find out some interesting facts about the inner planets, all of which are made up of rock and metal. So I'm not going to read for you. I want all of you to please take your time and read. Okay, what is like Mercury, Venus, Earth. All right, so also we have one more, okay, called as March. All right, so all these are the inner planet. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. You can even go through the given table, all right, from your exit content book. Okay, so Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. So time taken to rotate one rotation. Time taken to complete one rotation for Mercury it is 59 days, 59 Earth days, and for Venus it is 243 days. Earth, one Earth day is 24 hours. We have 24 hours in a day. Similarly, for Mars, it is 1.03 Earth days. Alright, that is to complete one rotation. And this is revolution. Okay, similarly, you please check from your textbook. Okay, from table 1. Alright, so after you are done reading the inner planet. Is that clear? So I want all of you to pause the video and then go through the inner planet. Okay, the inner planet that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. All right, and Mars. Okay, so after you are done reading, so you come across these are the inner planet. Okay, it is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So these are called the inner planet. The four planet in the solar system, they are called the inner planet. Okay, these are the four inner planet in the solar system. So do you think life is possible in all the inner planet? If yes, how, and if no, why? Alright, for that I will leave it on to you. Okay, if you have read that the inner planet, you'll come across, okay, that do you think life is possible in all the inner planet besides Earth? Okay, that I'll leave it not to you. And then moving ahead with our question. Now, question number 1: which planet did you read about, and is it possible for life to exist on Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars? Why or why not? In repetition of this question, okay. So which planets did you read about, and is it possible for life to exist on Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars? Why or why not? Okay, so you have read about the planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Okay, so life is actually not possible on Mercury. The reason why? Because it has no atmosphere, and it experiences very high and very low temperatures. So life is not possible even on Venus because it has a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide and experience very high temperatures. Alright, and life is possible on Earth. The reason why? Because the Earth has an atmosphere that is made up of oxygen and experiences moderate temperature, means not very hot and neither very cold. Alright, it has a moderate temperature, and due to the presence of water. Okay, in Earth you will find water, not on the other the three planets. Okay, like the Mercury, Venus, and Mars, you won't find water. Okay, so life is also not possible on Mars because it has an atmosphere of carbon dioxide. All right, so that's it. And question number 2: what are some interesting features of the planets you have read about? Like, how are Mercury, Venus, and Mars different from the planet Earth? So, what is the main difference between our planet Earth as compared to the other three planets? And what are some of the interesting features? Okay, so you listen carefully, okay? So from your reading, you have came across that Mercury that does not have an atmosphere. Alright, in Mercury there is no atmosphere, okay? Mercury does not have an atmosphere. And a day on Venus lasts longer than a year. Remember, a day on Venus lasts longer than a year, and the Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life on it. Remember that the Earth is the only planet among the four inner planets, okay, that has life on it. Alright, and Mars has the largest dust storms in the solar system. So those are the special features, okay, of all the planets. Similarly, Mercury, Venus, and Mars, they are different from the Earth as they do not have oxygen or water on them. So that is the difference between Earth and the other three planets. Okay, that the other three planets, Mercury, Venus, and Earth, they don't have oxygen, neither they don't have water. Okay, so life is not possible on those planets. All right, and that is how they are different from the planet Earth. All right, our planet. Is that clear? Alright, here is the hot question again. So why do you think these four planets are together called inner planets? And what do you think will the other four planets together be called? So we remember, okay, we have eight planets. Alright, we have eight planets in our solar system. And now we have learned about the four planets, right? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. So why do you think these four planets are together called inner planet? And what do you think will the other 4 planets together will be called? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, these 4 planets, they are called inner planets. Why? Because they lie closer to the sun. As you can see the solar system, you will see that Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, they are closer to the sun. Okay, because of that they are called inner planets. And in the inner part of the inner and they are located in the inner part of the solar system. All right, and the rest of the other 4 planets, they will be called the outer planets. Okay, so I hope you are clear. Now homework. Okay, your work for today is you have to complete your practice question number 4, 5 and 6 from your exit content book. You'll find in page number 7, and you have to complete your worksheet S2 from page number 5. Okay, worksheet 5. So the inner planet S2, and then practice question number 4 to 6. Alright, that means 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, 1, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so please don't fail to do your practice question as well along with the worksheet. Thank you all, stay safe and take care.